Welcome to the Industrial Repair Marketing Benchmarks for 2026. Powered by CUFinder, this report breaks down the digital marketing metrics that matter most for industrial repair professionals worldwide. Device distribution shows mobile at 35%, desktop at 58%, and tablet at 7%. Mobile optimization is essential for reaching your audience effectively in this industry. For engagement, average session duration is 10 min/hour with 2.8 pages per session. The bounce rate averages 52%. Traffic sources reveal organic search drives 46.5% of all traffic. Direct traffic accounts for 30%. Paid search brings 18% and social contributes 4.5%. For pay-per-click, Google Ads CPC averages $4.85. Facebook ads cost $8 per click. The average cost per acquisition is 98 Us. Conversion rates show an overall rate of 3.8%. Retention metrics show a 78% customer retention rate. On social media, LinkedIn leads at 1.8% engagement, Instagram follows at 0.65%, TikTok is at 0%. Email marketing shows an average open rate of 22.5%. Click-through rate is 2.8%. Key takeaways for industrial repair. Mobile traffic at 35% makes mobile first essential. LinkedIn leads social engagement at 1.8%. Email open rates of 22.5% show strong audience engagement. And organic search drives 46.5% of all traffic. Thank you for exploring the Industrial Repair Benchmarks 2026. For more data-driven insights and to find your customers faster, visit CUFinder at CUFinder.io.